welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Gloria and this is my channel. So do subscribe to my channel right now and also hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever I upload a video. So as per the title, this is a Myntra try-on haul and I will be sharing all the outfits that I have bought from Myntra and all the experiences, expectation and the realities. So yeah, and keep on watching, and I will give all the links in the description box, and also I will mention the MRPs in the screen somewhere because I don't obviously remember all the MRPs. Keep on watching.
The first top is this cute little black crop top and it has full sleeves and round neck. The material is thick. This is kind of those sweatshirt material and cotton है, पहनने में बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. You can wear this in summer. Casual wear के लिए perfect है. Pair it up with any blue denim jeans and white sneakers and you good to go. The next top is this beautiful white flowy off shoulder top, but ये बाकी off shoulder top की तरह नहीं है जो गिरता रहता है. The elastic is very good and it also has elastic in sleeves, but this is very see-through and the material is okayish, 100% polyester. This is also available in 5 different colors, but I choose the white one. This gives you a beautiful romantic look, perfect for your date night and casual hangouts. The next top is also a crop top in olive green color. It has round neck and short sleeves. There is horizontal stripes going on all over the top and इस top का material बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It's in mixed cotton and summer में पहनने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. Perfect for your daily wear. Next top is this full length white color top. It also has round neck and short sleeves and there is some stripes going on and some cute heart prints all over the top and the material is cotton. You can wear this as it is और आप knot करके भी पहन सकते हो या in करके पहन सकते हो. Pair it up with blue or black denim jeans, shorts or denim skirts and you good to go. The next outfit is this mid-length dress in grey color and इसके ऊपर off white and black color की prints है. The material is very soft and 100% cotton, best for summer wear. It has round neck and some button detailing going on in the front, also has some detailing in the sleeves. And the best part about this dress is it has pockets and there is some embroidery work in the pockets. I love dresses जिसमें pockets होते हैं and you can wear this dress with a belt as well. इसके साथ बेल्ट नहीं आता and there is no lining under this dress. The length is not so long, not so short, so perfect for your daily wear. Next outfit is this little yellow color dress and it has to be my best purchase from Myntra. This dress has some detailing in the neck with strappy sleeves and also has some detailing in the waist area and there is a zipper in the back and also has a option of knotting there and the material of this dress is 100% polyester but very soft. This dress has lining under it. Pair up this dress with statement heels or sneakers and you are ready to slay. The last outfit of this haul is this sleeveless multicolored dress and it has round neck and there is a lining under it and it also has a belt to tie up in the waist area and the material of this dress is 100% polyester but not so comfortable for daily wear. This is a knee-length dress and the colors makes this dress more beautiful and bright.
So this is all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, family and whoever you want to share with. and do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And most probably this is the Myntra haul part 1. Maybe I will do part 2, part 3, part 4 or part 5, because I have lots of dresses from Myntra. And do let me know which one you like the most from this haul in the comment section. So I will be back soon. So till then, stay safe, stay connected.